Technology and Livelihood Education. Food Preparation. Week 9 Part 3. Our topic is Safety Procedures and Practices in Baking. Safety procedures when baking. Baking is fun and rewarding, but it also involves tools, equipment, and ingredients that can be hazardous if not handled properly. Safety must be practiced before, during, and after baking. Safety procedures and practices in baking. Baking involves sharp tools, hot equipment, electrical appliances, and food ingredients. Following safety procedures helps prevent accidents, injuries, and food contamination. By keeping the workspace clean, handling tools properly, using equipment safely, and practicing good hygiene, bakers can work safely and produce quality baked products. The following are the safety procedures before baking. Safety procedures before baking: wear a clean apron, tie back long hair, wash hands properly, remove unnecessary jewelry, clean and sanitize the work area. Check that tools and equipment are clean and in good condition. Read the recipe before beginning, measure ingredients accurately, check the oven before use, keep electrical cords away from wet areas. Safety procedures during preparation. Safety procedures during preparation: use knives and sharp tools carefully, keep work surfaces dry, avoid cross-contamination. Do not taste food using the same utensil repeatedly, keep raw ingredients handled safely, use appropriate measuring tools, do not leave spills unattended. The following are the safety procedures when using the oven. When using the oven: 1. Preheat the oven according to the recipe. 2. Use dry oven mitts or potholders. 3. Never touch hot pans with bare hands. 4. Open the oven carefully and stand to the side to avoid hot steam. 5. Keep flammable materials away from the oven. 6. Do not overcrowd the oven. 7. Follow the recommended temperature and baking time. 8. Never play or run around the baking area. The following are the safety procedures after baking. Safety procedures after baking: 1. Turn off the oven after use. 2. Remove hot pans carefully. 3. Place hot pans on a heat-resistant surface. 4. Allow baked products to cool properly. 5. Clean tools and equipment. 6. Wash and sanitize work surfaces. 7. Store ingredients properly. 8. Dispose of waste correctly. 9. Wash hands after completing the activity. The common baking hazards. The common baking hazards: hazard, possible risk, preventive measure, hot oven, burns, use oven mitts, hot baking pan, burns, handle carefully, wet floor, slipping, clean spills immediately, knife cuts used properly, electrical equipment, electric shock, keep away from water. Loose clothing, fire burn hazard. We are proper work clothing, long hair, fire contamination risk, tie hair back, unclean tools, food contamination, clean and sanitize, incorrect measurement, poor product quality, measure accurately, overmixing, tough muffins, mix gently. Safety procedures and practices in baking protect you and others. When we follow safety procedures every time, we build good habits, prevent risks, and ensure the production of safe, high-quality baked products. Be safe, be responsible, and bake with confidence.
This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Maylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.